Hey guys, it's actually 12 in the noon and we had decided to go to Diu, but unfortunately the plan has been cancelled. So now we have decided to go in jungle in bikes. So Shyam is a rider of FZ and Jay is also riding FZ and I'm in Bullet. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so guys, basically we are all ready to leave, and the climate is awesome. The road too is awesome, and in jungle we are planning to visit a lighthouse. So if possible, we'll show you it and have a look at the road. See how beautiful. While moving ahead, we just found this scenery. It's somewhat lake type and it's beautiful. So we just parked our bike and are enjoying the view. Okay, so finally, I guess after riding 20 to 25 kilometers, we have reached our first destination. That's a temple of Mata Temple, and it's really beautiful. Okay, so let's go inside.
So guys, now we are here at Sodau Mata Mandir, and as you can see, it's such a big place. Hope you all like it. I know we are rookie at this, so please ignore if any problems. So our friend here is shooting. It's like counter shooting, and the man of the hour, Mr. Shubham, is eating basically because he has something known as Ekadasi Upvas. एक ले ले. And something known as prasadam is here,
Yeah.
and it's looking delicious, dudes.
Here.
And our photographer here, Mr. Jai Bhagat, who is also happens to be a professional civil architect.
We have reached Madwad village and it's known for the lighthouse and the seashore. बट इट्स काइंड ऑफ लेस फेमस. मतलब हम तीन ही हैं पूरे सी शोर में, बट जगह बहुत बढ़िया है बॉस. मतलब इट्स रियली नाइस एंड अलग ही सुकून मिलता है यहाँ पे. मज़ा आ जाए. We have reached the lighthouse. See, it's actually behind there, and it's I don't know, by some reason it's been closed, but the view, guys, the view is awesome. It's, just have a look on the view.
Hello there, friends, again. We have reached this beautiful, beautiful destination here, and it's absolutely, it's breathtaking. You are breathtaking. And on the way to return, we found a beautiful, beautiful horse. Just take a look at it.
Okay, see, wait, let me take a close look over it. Man, beautiful, amazing. I just wanna touch him, but I'm afraid. Enough. See how nature is on this scenery. Found a beautiful house. Okay, so guys, let's continue to next destination. Now we are heading towards Santeshwar Mahadev, and I heard that the place is really worth visiting. But actually, the way is too good. Means there's an ocean on my left side, and I can feel the breeze of the water. Moreover, the sound of ocean, the location. Literally, I have no words to explain it. It's really nice. Hey guys, we are actually now heading towards a waterfall. It's actually famous in this region, and it's really beautiful. And due to some reasons, I have to keep my bullet apart, and I have joined Jay. And I see Shyam is busy doing skills. Okay, so let's move towards.
Hey guys, so we have reached the destination successfully. It was quite a walk. It was really like the sound of the waterfall is so soothing to the ears, and it's just awesome.
And moreover, the waterfall is too awesome. Okay, let me show you. Hey guys, if you are watching this, then it means that you have reached the end of the video, and thanks for watching it.
Hope you have enjoyed it to the last bit. We are really tired right now, but we had somehow shoot. We had to somehow shoot the end of the video. So hope that you enjoyed this video. Hope that you enjoyed every bit of this journey. It was just a small effort on our side to actually see if we could film without a GoPro or any such professional device. No mics were used. Everything
And
was
no
shot.
DSLR,
No DSLR,
everything.
nothing. Uh, only our phone, that is OnePlus, was used in this whole effort.
Thanks for OnePlus community.
And thanks,
you.
definitely thanks to OnePlus community. And we really appreciate any suggestions, comments, and critiques. Everything is welcome, because this was just our, you could say, in engineering language, it was just a beta version of this
Yeah.
vlog.
This was our first video. Guys, please do like, share, and subscribe.
And one more thing, always remember, and is just the beginning.
Yeah.